Disclaimer, don't be disturbed by these fat people eating so much.
Hey guys, we are back and today we are making Rice Krispie cakes with, you guessed it, my sister Iman.
Hey guys, just as a word of warning, as per usual, the ingredients are in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out before you start cooking.
Also, make sure you subscribe down below, smash that like button, turn your post notifications on like Minaj Malik. And this video was actually suggested by Sophia Randerson, and I'll insert her request right here. So, Iman, you have to go get the ingredients.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
She always forgets everything. So, let's just get on to the video. Yo, we're back. So to make these Rice Krispie treats, we are going to put quite a lot of Rice Krispies in our bowl. When do you think we should stop? Stop there, I think. And then, just gonna mix it so that it's got nothing in. Now we're just adding quite a lot of golden syrup just around the whole thing. And then we're going to mix it all up. That's it. So now we've got our golden syrup in our bowl. Oh my god, just making a mess over here. We are going to mix it all. Yeah, we're going to need quite a lot more. It's got to be like fully. So add quite a lot more golden syrup. So I think this is a really good texture for the Krispies because they're sticking together, but they can also fall apart. So now all we have to do is transfer it to the tray. So now we just have to transfer it to the tray. We think this one was the best one to put this product in. So let's just transfer it. And then after we've fully transferred it, we're just going to then transfer it again into the fridge for about 40 minutes. Not sure exactly how long, but we'll let you know afterwards how long we put ours in. So we found that it wasn't that much, so we have decided to just make a little bit more. So now we just made a bit more mix, as you can see from the time lapse just before. So now we're just transferring it to the tray. So this is the finished product, and we're just going to let it chill in the fridge for, I don't know, just 40 minutes to an hour. Be back on that 5 minutes, and I think it's pretty much done. So we're just cutting it into squares, and then we're going to dip it in melted chocolate. Not the chocolate that we're putting on it, we're using a bain-marie. That's basically where you put boiling water in a pan. And then you put some chocolate over it. I guess I should put some more water in it. Yeah, I should put some more water in it, actually. And then you have to put it over some heat. That should be enough water. Put it over heat and just watch it melt. Waiting for it to mix. Be back when that's done. So we've got our melted chocolate here, so we're just going to pour it over the Rice Krispie treats. It looks really nice. They really look amazing. I wasn't expecting them to turn out this good. Make sure you follow this really easy recipe at home. And if you do, comment down below. And if you can, send us a photo. Hope you enjoyed this video. Iman has just gone to wash up. So make sure you comment #CookingSquad in the comments below. Request what you want us to make. Subscribe, like, and turn your post notifications on. Hope we see you next time. Until then, goodbye.